Easter games and activities for class. Even though Easter is a Christian holiday, there are a lot of fun activities to do in class. Christians and non-Christians alike enjoy eating traditional Easter foods, egg hunting, and the Easter bunny. Today, I will share 10 fun Easter activities and games you can try in class. Reading passage. Easter is a day of celebrating the resurrection of Jesus from the dead, 3 days after his crucifixion. It is also linked to the Jewish Passover. A good way to explain the origin of Easter is by reading about it. And fortunately for us, the British Council provides a good article that shares some of the information on the Easter holiday. Worksheets and resources. Along with the reading passage, I have collected all the best worksheets I could find and added them in a file for you. If you would like these worksheets and all the other resources I've compiled, you can get them free in the description below. Easter egg hunt. There are a couple of variations to this game. The original is where you would hide chocolate eggs outside and the kids would run around trying to find them. This could lead to some students getting more than others and a lot of tears. So, A, you could write each student's name on an egg so everyone can get one. And B, use plastic eggs or paper printouts with Easter vocabulary on. Students run around and have to find 3 eggs. After that, they write a story using the 3 words. For example, if someone finds 3 eggs with the pictures of the Easter bunny, a basket, and chocolate, they can write a story about receiving candy from the Easter bunny. The next variation is my favorite. Place eggs all around the classroom, and students have to walk around with a pen and paper, then write down the location of each egg. For example, the blue egg is next to the teacher's desk. This is a good way for them to practice prepositions. They continue until they write down the location of 10 eggs. Arts and crafts. Rabbits, eggs, chicks. Here are some fun crafts your students can make in class. Egg drop activity. This is a really fun STEM activity for groups. Students have to design a device to protect an egg from cracking or breaking from a high fall. Give students materials to use. Tell them to plan the device and explain why it should work. After constructing the device, you can test it and see which group's eggs survive. Students finish by writing a report on their findings. Easter egg decoration. Another fun craft activity that gets its own mention. Ask parents to prepare some hollowed out eggs for class. They can drain the eggs by making a small hole at the top and the bottom and then blowing out the insides. Make sure to remind the parents the day before via text and also take along some extra eggs just in case someone forgets. Students can paint their own creative eggs or they can draw faces on the eggs. That way, they review body parts. Easter egg hunt. This is a worksheet and not another actual hunt. Students have to make words by using the letters from Easter egg hunt. They can reuse the letters with each new word. At level 1, they make any words. Then there are 2 more levels where they are given specific words to create. It is really fun and challenging for students. Egg and spoon races. Some traditional egg races include running a team relay with an egg in a spoon. It is up to you if you want to use raw or boiled eggs. Another variation is where the students have to push the egg across the floor using their nose. Listening comprehension. The BBC UK has a great audio activity about Easter ceremonies. First, go through important vocabulary and explain the definitions. Then you can let the class answer some comprehension questions after listening to the audio. They have also included the script for students to read. Easter dictogloss. Read the students a nice story about Easter. It could be your own experience or one that you found. While reading it to your students, they take notes. Afterwards, they sit with a partner and they have to recreate the story as closely as possible. It's fun if they can act it out afterwards. Those are the 10 Easter activities for class.